Hello, welcome to day 7's lesson preview. All right, in the last previous lessons, you guys have been working with kind of doing some labs and some other activities like that. Day 7, we're going to get back a little bit more to the textbook. And so here's going to be your lesson preview, review of day 6. Again, continue to check your previous Canvas submissions for comments. Activating pre-knowledge is going to be pretty short today. Biggest thing that you're going to do is from our previous lessons, you are going to explain what density's role is in convection currents. And you're going to put your explanation here. Be descriptive. And when we say be descriptive, like really detail that, because that's going to be a big role in what we're going to learn about today. All right, next you have your vocabulary lesson set up for your journal. Right here is for chapter 3, lesson 1. We're doing 2 lessons today. You have one key idea and you have your vocabulary words. Then you have chapter 3, lesson 2. You have 3 key ideas that you're going to need to leave space for. And then you have your vocabulary words. Again, remember to fill out your vocabulary journal as you read. All right, so now is your lesson, and I'm just going to kind of zone through it pretty quick. You just read the directions, click on the video to get the preview. Here's a little bit more directions for the individual lesson. Video, answer question. You're going to, again, take notes. And when we say take notes, guys, that is your notes, your vocabulary, your key ideas, and any other important information you find while you're reading. Because there's going to be stuff that you're going to be like, oh, this might be important. Please write that down, okay? In your own words, you're going to answer a question. They're right there, okay? Then you're going to do an activity, answer questions. All right, these videos right here, the brain pop plate tectonics and what happens when continents collide. These are going to be information that some of the stuff we already know, but then it's going to lead us into also this idea of continental drift and seafloor spreading. So it's kind of a good bridge. So that's why it's right between the 2 lessons. So watch it and then see if you can make any connections. All right, you're going to see some of those. And then watch when continents collide. All right, and then you have chapter 2. Or chapter 3, lesson 2, you're going to watch the video, and then it's broken down by pages. So you're going to read 2 pages, you're going to take notes, you're going to answer the questions. You're going to read 2 pages, and in this one, you're going to actually explain what's going on. So you have this diagram, and this diagram is going to mean something after you read pages 80 through 83. You need to explain what's going on, and then you need to answer this question, where would we find the youngest rock here? So you kind of explain on this diagram where you would find it. Then you're going to read 84 and 85. You're going to explain the following terms in your own words. I don't know why there's a money sign here. That'll disappear. Then you are going to draw this diagram into your notebook. I want you guys to do this so it goes through your brain a couple of different times. And yes, you're going to label it as it's happening. Okay, so put all of these kind of labels on there. Take a photo of that, put it in here. You're going to do one more activity. You're going to watch a wrap-up video for Mr. Wall, exit ticket, submit it to Canvas. That's a day 7. You guys are rocking it. Hey, we're getting close. We're about halfway through this trimester already. It's amazing that 7 days is halfway through. Keep working hard. Keep getting stuff submitted, and we will see you tomorrow.